How to unread a message on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can unread a message on Instagram. Now if you open up Instagram and head into chat by tapping on the chat icon at the top right, you can see I've opened up certain messages and haven't opened up certain. Now if I just tap and hold, I won't get the option to mark as unread, or if I just swipe, nothing happens. Now first what you need to do is you want to tap on profile, head into profile, and then tap on the three horizontal line icon at the top right corner, head into the settings option. Under settings here, what you want to do is you want to head into account here, and you can see I have the personal account currently, but if I just scroll down and tap on switch to professional account, I'll just continue. Now this steps is completely free. You can just select anyone and then continue, and you want to switch to personal or creator account. Now here, once you switch to creator account, now it doesn't matter if you are not a creator account. Now I've just set it up. Now what you want to do is if you head back to chat here, and here I'll just save it. Now if I just tap and hold on the particular message here, you can see I'll get various different options, and you can see I have gotten the mark as unread option. You know, simply tap on mark as unread and it'll be marked as unread, as you can see on the screen. So this way you can unread a message on Instagram. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.